Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add border around plot area in Excel chart. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to create the column chart. Simply select the data and just go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column charts option. In 2D column, select the first one and here you can see your column chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Okay. Just drag the corner point and you can easily increase the size of column chart. Okay. So this is the plot area. When you keep cursor over here, you can see the plot area is showing name. Just click on this plot area and you can see the plot area is selected now. Okay. And here I'm going to add the border or plot area. Simply right click on the plot area. Okay. Then click on the format plot area option. And here you can see the format plot area is open. In first option, line and fill and line, just click on the border option. And here you can add here second option, solid lines, and select here the border color also. So I select the this one and you can increase the thickness of the border with just click on the up arrow to increase the thickness. See the changes in chart in plot area border is showing is thicker. See the color also change. Okay, so you can change the border type also. So line type also. So I select here dash type line. You can select the dash type line. See the changes over here. Okay, compound type also available different type line. You can change here. Okay. And if you want to add the gradient line, you can select the gradient. Okay. Then here the gradient stops. You need to add here the color of every stop. So here I select the first stop. Then I select the one color. Okay. Then I second stop drag and set here. Then select the different color. Third stop drag and set here. Then select the different color. Fourth stop select the different color. See the changes. Here the different color is added in the plot area border. Okay. So this is the way you can use the gradient line also. So this is the way you can add border on your plot area in Excel chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.